Okay, hey guys, and welcome to today's video. So I'm really excited for today's video because it's a little different. I am doing another collab with my good friends Molly and Belinda. I'm so excited to be doing the YouTube collab with them. As you see here on the drawing, I am doing uh I am doing um a 60's collab. And what I mean by 60's collab, we are drawing characters or female or whatever we desire drawing based off the 60's. So I'm really excited about that, and I am looking forward to seeing what they do. I decided to do a female portrait with a bow in her hair because I realized, the hairstyles in the 60's, they had bows in their hairs and everything, and I'm like, I gotta capture that somehow. So, thinking of black and white, the drawing is mainly in black and white, but I made the bow red, so that way the bow can pop a little bit. You'll see that in the end of the video. I'm not really fond of the eyes. I don't know what it is. Maybe they look cross I don't know. It's in 3/4 view, but nonetheless, I still like it. So I'm very excited how I was able to get the deeper tones that I've always wanted from my drawings instead of like I've been learning cross hatching this weekend, so I've been having a lot of fun with that, and been learning a lot with different tones and values, and trying to put it in this portrait here. So let me shout out to my good friends Belinda and Molly. Normally we will collab with Dawn too, but Dawn, Michelle, shout out to you too, but this collab is basically with Molly and Belinda. They are really, really good friends, and I usually talk to them every day, and um, it's just a nice circle of friends I have on Instagram thanks to this YouTube channel. So it was just a lot of fun, and we all have different art styles, and we all come together and collab together. So I'm really happy about that, and they make really good friends. They also make really great art that you guys should go check out. So I think Belinda's channel, Belinda, correct me if I'm wrong, is Belinda's art channel, and then Molly's is Art Flashes, so go check them out, please. So they make really amazing art, and yeah, so for this one, I was shading values, and I had a little bit of trouble because I started with a darker value, but nonetheless, I was able to blend it out pretty good, and was very happy with it. So I think the problem is, and looking back at this drawing now, I think she's at a 3/4 view. Her neck area, I think needs to be adjusted a little bit, so maybe that's throwing it off, not the eyes. So I think the eyes is okay, but maybe the neck area needs a little bit of work. But other than that, I think it turned out pretty cute. I was going for a 60 style here and try and get that hair flip up a little bit. That was fun to do. So yeah, now for the dress, I had made it black and then striped white, kind of like a mod pattern. If you guys have any questions or anything like that, let me know. I'll link everyone's videos down in the description. Uh, Dawn, we will do a collab with you in the future, but I just don't want anyone to feel left out. So, um, yeah, anyways, let me know what you guys think about this drawing, and definitely go check out my friends, and I will definitely see you guys next time I do a video. Bye, guys.